guys, I'm Julian, and today in this video I show you how to put a switch without wires. You need one of this kit. Here you can see the diagram, how you can put the wire. Don't know if you can see very well. Okay, you have 2 wire in and 2 wire out. The wire from the light you can put in this device, and you can take 2 wire from this device to the light. This is the device. Here you have 1, 2 in and 1 and 2 out. I have some screw and a little tape. And this is the switch. Are different type of switch. This is a small one, and after you install it you only need to press this button, and after this it works very well.
Here, as you can see, I already installed it. It is very easy to install. You take the 2 wire from the light, put here in the first 2 slots, and after that take 2 wire and put to the light. This is the switch. Now I show you how it works. It works very well. Here I have a light with sensor, but sometimes I don't want to start the light. And with this device I control it how I want. This is all. I was Julian. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, hit the like button. Don't cost you anything and helps me a lot. Have a nice day.